Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let me discuss about the project Intelligent Car Parking System. Let me discuss about the abstract of the project. The overall aim of this research is to explore the application of artificial intelligence technique to navigate mobile robot using image processing. These technologies have a wide range of potential application fields, which include the exploration of inaccessible or hazardous environments, industrial automation, and also biomedicine. In this research area, the development of the decision and control strategies necessary for autonomous operation plays a central role. A set of methodologies called qualitative or approximate reasoning have been developed to build a decision-making approach in systems where all uncertainties cannot be avoided or corrected. These methodologies attempt to capture some aspects of human behavior in system control. Their aim is to incorporate implicitly the certainties in the information gathering and reasoning process rather than to determine explicitly them through numerical calculations or mathematical representation. The proposed approach initially performed the morphological operation, which are the dilation and erosion process. Dilation is one of the two basic operators in the area of mathematical morphology, the other being erosion. It is typically applied to binary images, but there are versions that work on grayscale images. The basic effect of the operator on a binary image is to gradually enlarge the boundaries of regions of foreground pixels, that is, white pixels typically. Thus, areas of foreground pixels grow in size, while folds within those regions become smaller. Erosion is one of two fundamental operations, the other being dilation. In morphological image processing, from which all other morphological operations are based, it was originally defined for binary images, later being extended to grayscale images and subsequently complete lattices. Finally, the morphological image is converted to half-transform domain. The purpose of the technique is to find imperfect instances of objects within a certain class of shapes by a voting procedure. Let me discuss about the flow diagram for our process. First, capture the input image from the dataset folder. Here we can capture the car image as an input image, and in the image pre-processing stage we need to convert our input image into gray conversion. If our input image will be RGB format, then image pre-processing can significantly increase the reliability of an optimal inspection. Several filter operations which intensity or reduce certain image details enable an easier or faster evaluation. Users are able to optimize their camera image with just a few clicks. Contains numerous image filters for image optimization, miscellaneous filter for edge enhancement, noise suppression, character modification, etc. Next, in the morphology process, here dilation and erosion process are used. The dilation is the holes enclosed by a single region, and the gaps between different regions become smaller, and small intrusion into boundaries of region are filled. Results of dilation are influenced both by the size and shape of the structuring element, the input image to be processed. A structuring element object returned by the structuring function, or a binary matrix defining the neighborhood of a structuring element. Next, in the erosion, the following section uses im-dilate and im-erode to illustrate how to implement the morphological opening. Note, however, that the toolbox already includes the im-open function, which performs this processing. The toolbox includes functions that perform many common morphological operations. Next, in the morphological image processing is a collection of non-linear operations related to the shape or morphology of features in an image. According to Wikipedia, morphological operation relies only on a relative ordering of pixel values, not on their numerical values, and therefore are especially suited to the processing of binary images. Morphological operations can also be applied to grayscale images, such that their light transfer function are unknown, and therefore their absolute pixel values are of no or mirror interest. And in the half transform function, half transform is a feature extraction technique in image analysis, computer vision, and digital image processing. The purpose of the technique is to find imperfect instances of objects within a certain class of shapes by a voting procedure. This voting procedure is carried out in a parameter space from which object candidates are obtained as local maxima in so-called accumulator space that is explicitly constructed by the algorithm for computing the half transform. A classical half transform was concerned with the identification of lines in the image, but later the half transform has been extended to identifying position of arbitrary shapes, most commonly circles or ellipses. Finally, check whether the parking facility are available or not based on the half transform result. If the parking facility available, then place the car at the parking location, or else the place or not available will be displayed. Let me discuss about the running procedure for our process. Select the main.m file in the current folder, right click that file, and then for executing this process. This is the main window of the intelligent car parking system. By pressing the input image button, we can browse the input image, that is car image from the dataset folder. Here I display the input image in the access 1 plot. By pressing the preprocess button, we can perform the grayscale conversion process. This is a grayscale image I displayed in the access 2 plot. By pressing the dilation button, we can perform the dilated results, that is the removal of small object. This is the dilation result. By pressing the erosion button, we perform the erosion operation, that is the morphological operation which we have eroded from the dilation result. This is here I display the erosion result. By pressing the morphology button, we perform the morphological operation. This will take some time for executing. This is the morphological result where the white pixel denotes the availability of spaces, and by pressing the half image button, we can perform the half transformation of our morphological result. By pressing the output button, we can perform the car parking location. The green color line denotes the location of car parking, that is place availability. And an image based method of detecting the availability of car park was modeled and tested with different occupancy scenarios of car park. Thank you.